Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Acura TL maintenance light. First, locate the small reset button on your dashboard, usually near the speedometer or odometer. Next, turn your ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Now, press and hold that reset button for at least 10 seconds. You'll see the light begin to flash, then it should turn off completely, indicating a successful reset. It's a simple process that saves you a trip to the mechanic. It's crucial that your engine remains off throughout this entire process. Just the ignition in the on position is sufficient. The reset button itself is usually a small black rubber button, sometimes slightly recessed. If you release the button too soon, the light won't reset, and you'll need to start over from the beginning. Patience is key here. Make sure you hold it down for the full 10 seconds or until the light responds. Once you've held the button for the correct duration, you'll notice the maintenance light begin to flash rapidly. This is a good sign, indicating the system is responding. Continue holding until the light completely extinguishes. Only then should you release the button. If, for any reason, the light stays on after you've released it, simply turn the ignition off, wait a few seconds, and then repeat the entire reset procedure from the first step. After the light is off, turn your ignition completely off, then start your Acura TL's engine as you normally would. The maintenance light should now remain off, confirming a successful reset. Remember, while resetting the light is easy, it's important to perform regular maintenance to keep your vehicle running smoothly and prevent future warning lights. And hey, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check out the link in the description for some great deals, including little trees, black ice, and other fantastic products.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.